It's been like a week or two as we installed the screen protector, and a few days back we dropped the phone, and as you see, it's cracked. So the phone dropped like straight to the ground from the pocket. So let's see if it damaged the screen itself or the protector worked. So as you can see, it's has some damage. So first of all, let's remove the case. So, and let's remove damage protector easy and see how is our screen. Yeah, this seems I saved like around $300. So let's see if it's broken or not. See, do it simple and gentle because the screen protector is cracked and you don't want to have this plastic glasses everywhere in your house. Right. Yeah, see, so basically like this. So looks like the screen is fine, so there is no damage. So yes, I saved $500, maybe less. Yeah, let's be honest, like around 300 or so. Yeah, the scratch has been before we installed the screen protector. So now let's install this second one. So we just simply, yeah, we just checked if it fits or not. So we're removing the bottom one like this, just straight, just let it go. And gently just push it from this side. And don't touch anything and enjoy this moment. This moment is not good. You have to, yep, it's fine. Yeah, just help a little bit, moving from up to the down. Use your 2 fingers and let it finish. So looks beautiful, and to make it perfect, just polish it a little bit with a small pressure. This side we can see there's small kind of bubbles, but otherwise it looks good. So yeah, now it's beautiful, works great.